Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sharing how to make all natural almond milk at home for weight loss. Homemade almond milk does not have added sugar or added additives. It's a nutritious alternative to dairy milk. This almond milk is light and creamy, perfect for those who want a dairy-free milk. Plus it's easy to make at home and it just takes under 2 minutes to make it if you have soaked almonds. Now why soaked almonds? The almond peel contains tannin, which is a nutrient inhibitor. Almonds are rich in many nutrients, and if eaten with the peel, the nutrients will not be absorbed by the body. Hence, it is very important to peel the almonds. Soaking the almonds also helps to neutralize the phytic acid in almonds, making them more digestible. With regard to weight loss, almonds helps in weight loss as they have good fats. The monosaturated good fats in almonds and the dietary fiber in almonds helps in weight loss, because they help to make you feel fuller. Almonds also helps to alkalize the digestive tract, reducing acid buildup and balances the body's pH level. Almonds also helps in digestive health as it contains probiotic components that can help with digestion, detoxification and healthy bacterial growth within the gut flora. Almonds are a great source of vitamin E, and they're also good for your hair, skin and eyes. Almonds promote heart health, they reduce bad cholesterol and increases good cholesterol. So next time you reach for that store-bought almond milk, just think that you can make almond milk easily at home without any added preservatives, additives or added sugar. So let's make this creamy almond milk at home, perfect for your kids, spouse or for yourself. If you have soaked almonds, then it just takes under 2 minutes to make almond milk at home. Now peel off the skin. Soaking the almonds also helps to peel the skin easily, so overnight soaking is the best. So now I have peeled all the almonds, and to make this almond milk I'm using 15 soaked and peeled almonds. To blend the almonds I'm using my mixie, which has 1300 watt, so that makes it a powerful high-speed mixie. Add in the almonds and 1 cup of water. Blend the almonds for 40 seconds and then pour the blended almond milk into a cup, and you can see how creamy the almond milk is. You can use this as a substitute for dairy milk if you are lactose intolerant, or you can use it in your smoothies. So do try this all natural homemade almond milk at home and let me know how this turned out. If you like to see more such healthy recipes, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and also the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you can get updated when I post new videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.